How's it going, guys? This is Stefan. This is SYG Tech. I'm with the Samsung booth with Nikki. How are you today, Nikki?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you. This is the second day of the NAC. We're super excited. Please showcase us the three most new features of the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.
Okay, so we're going to start with privacy display we spoke about. So, for privacy display, you can see side on, you can see everything on my screen. As my nosy neighbor, you can see what's on my screen, right?
Yes.
Now, if we drag down that menu, we can press and hold privacy display and we can activate that. So now when we turn side on, there's a lot less visibility on the screen.
That's correct.
Now, if I press and hold that, we can even go one further and go maximum display.
That's fantastic. The second question comes to my mind is passwords. Let's say I want to cover my password, my bank details.
Yeah.
Can I choose a selected options of the screen? So I can, for example, just to remove the password only.
You can, yeah. So you can select a particular app, so you can customize it to suit you. So if you want it just on specific apps like your email, when you select your emails, privacy display will activate as well as your notification pop-up.
That's brilliant. That's brilliant. So I think, yeah, this new feature of the Samsung 26 Ultra is fantastic. What else you included in this year? Something new that you never done before?
Yeah. So we've got our horizontal lock now, super steady, on our videos. So how that works is if you activate the camera and we go onto a video, up in the top corner where you've got a little running man, if we tap on him and activate horizontal lock, now what we're able to do is start videoing and it will keep that orientation. So as an example, we're going to 360 the phone when we're capturing that content. So now, when we watch that video back, you can see that it stays in the same orientation.
That's brilliant. That's fantastic for some fast actions.
Yeah.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Keeps everything super steady when there's movement. So if you're taking videos in a moving car or anything like that, you're going to get that super steady.
And that's something new that has never been done.
New on our videos.
Fantastic. And the privacy as well is the new...
Yeah, that is world's first on mobile.
That's amazing. So no more buying screen protectors that obviously you have to put your display, after that you have to remove.
Yeah.
It's a pain sometimes.
It's a lot more customizable. You can have it as and when you want to use it.
That's amazing. I mean, I think this is going to be the most popular feature on
so far
Samsung.
it's had a lot of attention.
It's amazing. What else do you have? Give us something more spicy.
So you've got in our AI suite, so you've got photo assist, and that enables us to do a lot more than it ever did before. New to that is regeneration, so you can regenerate something. So if you took a picture of your cupcake but you've already taken a bite out of said cupcake, you can use photo assist to regenerate that back to a whole cupcake.
That's
so
brilliant.
For those food vloggers or people that like to take pictures of their food and their partner's already popped the egg, they can use the regeneration to make that whole again.
That's amazing.
But as far as AI suite goes, if you ever want to know more about it,
you can demonstrate something.
You can go to your settings, and the third icon down, there's one that says Galaxy AI. Within that gives you a list of all of the AI features that are available, and each one you click into gives you a little bit more detail and then how you can use that.
And is that free?
That's free, it's all on device.
Fantastic. So yeah, that's amazing. Well guys, now you know the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can do something that's never done before. My favorite feature this year probably is going to be the privacy, because this is never done before, and as a matter of fact, many people try to protect their passwords, bank details, and I think it's an amazing feature to have in your smartphone.
Your whole life is on your phone, so why not protect it?
Exactly. So your bank details, everything, your cards, your passports, your driving license, everything is there.
Yeah.
Especially the emails, because there's a lot of problems with the emails, people stealing emails, identity. That's brilliant.
So many people use their phone in such a public place now. It's public transport, but you still need to work on the go sometimes.
Exactly,
so it's
yes.
nice having that peace of mind that you can keep your private life private if you need to.
That's amazing. Well, this is our second day here.
Yeah.
What is your thoughts for the NAC this year? I think it's amazing. The vibe is super. Everybody's happy.
I've learned so much from the people that have come here today. So it's been fantastic seeing the what people have been capturing and some of the other vendors that are here. It's been a really good 2 days so far.
I had a blast here. I met so nice people, so many cool people.
Good.
And the vibe doesn't stop. Usually on the first day, everybody's pumped, everybody's happy. Second day it's a little bit down, but actually no, everybody's nice, everybody's happy.
Great event.
Which is amazing. Sadly, yeah, it's our second day here, and we have have to go back, but we had an amazing time with such a nice, lovely people.
Yeah.
And Nikki, thank you very much
You're
for all
welcome.
this
No problem.
information about the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Yeah, I think the feature with the privacy is going to be the best feature this year. And let me know in the comments down below what do you think. And last words for our viewers. Anything that you want to say?
It's ready to order now. You can purchase it now.
Fantastic. That's amazing. So come on, guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one.